You've probably seen a starfish before, maybe in a tide pool or an aquarium. They look so peaceful, almost like living decorations. 5 arms, slow movements, bright colors. They seem like some of the most harmless animals in the ocean. But that's a perfect disguise for one of the strangest, most unsettling feeding methods on Earth. Because when a starfish finds something to eat, like a clam or a mussel, it doesn't chew it or swallow it. Instead, it does something almost no other animal can. It pushes its own stomach out of its body and digests its prey alive from the inside. So, how does this even work? First, you need to understand the starfish's secret weapon, its tube feet. On the underside of a starfish are hundreds of these tiny hydraulic suction cups. When a starfish finds a clam, it latches onto both sides of the shell with these feet and starts pulling. It's not trying to rip the shell apart with brute force. It's playing a waiting game. The starfish only needs to pry the shell open a tiny crack, sometimes just a few millimeters. Once that small gap is created, the truly bizarre part begins. The starfish has 2 stomachs, a cardiac stomach and a pyloric stomach. It's the cardiac stomach that does the dirty work. The starfish everts it, basically turning it inside out and pushing it through its own mouth, right into the tiny opening of the clam's shell. Imagine turning a glove inside out and you get the picture. Once inside the shell, the stomach releases powerful digestive enzymes that start breaking down the clam's soft tissues. The clam, still alive, can't do anything to stop it. It can't close its shell because the starfish's tube feet have it locked open. It's a slow, methodical process. Over the next few minutes, 2 hours, the starfish liquefies everything inside the shell and then absorbs the nutrient-rich soup. When it's finished, the stomach retracts back into the starfish's body, leaving behind a perfectly clean, empty shell.